Short, since we have a series of activities going on today, may I call our Regional Manager, June Nathaniel Plaza, for his message prior to our ribbon cutting ceremony.
Good morning. I'd like to respect to our management, Sir Robert Sibila, sir, Sir Sarah Sulay, sir, we're happy to be the various school of ngayon mag-umitis natin ang bago receive. Kasi, ito natin, it's super easy. Ito na yan. Kasi, naisip namin, last year, mag-dating ko na. Sabi ko, sir, hindi pa na hindi bagay yung kahit ko kasi matakit ko kung if the vehicle or that vehicle gets older, yung question ng PFS dun sa kasa, may mag-request na 40,000 to 60,000 depending on the age of the vehicle. But right here, right now, yung PFS natin, kung meron tayo liters ng lahat, mag-request na tayo 7,000, maximum at 10. Oil lang bibili natin eh. At saka yung mekaniko natin, saan yung mekaniko natin? Nagkakala, nagkakala, kaling natisan to eh. Kaling nakasa sir. So, talagang garantisado, lahat-lahat sa life vehicle natin, ipahiayos na natin. Kasi, mas matanda pa sa akin yung vehicle na ayos natin, wala po pa. Babalik natin sa normal yung so, may bibigyan halaga sa ating nasasakyan kasi kailangan natin. Imagine, 6 hours from here is 10 City. May ikamit tayo ng project, hinahihirapan tayo kung hindi mga ano natin. Tapos sinabi ko kayo, units natin dapat every 5,000 ata. Dapat na tayo. Kasi makapura na tayo. So maraming salamat at patuloy na rin yung natin. Maraming na rin ito. Dahil ng baga sa lahat.
Thank you so much, RM. So, sabi namin sir, we are really very happy, hindi lang po ang management as well as kami po mga employees. This is the first time that the regional office, nearly the night, nagkaroon na po ng ganito sa ganang opportunity. Isa po sa mga pangako ni RM na hindi lang po ang nila yung ganito sa kanya vehicles pag service na po nito lahat na magpuraw sa mga vehicles na ating empleyado. Okay, so we are requesting our guests, our top management, as well as our officials of the Region 9 to please proceed here in our facility for our photo opportunity. We also request our head of equipment unit to be here. Later on, we will show our guests and explain to them kung ano po ang mga equipment na dito po sa ating facility sa ngayon. Okay, so I will give cue po para sa ating counting. So, photo ops po muna tayo. Okay? Smile po. At the count of 5, we will begin with the ribbon cutting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Leader Region 9 for the Community Library, Region 9 Motor Pool. Thank you so much. So we will have a quick picture po sa ating mga equipment dito. Sorry?